to break your will, standing on that same old hill, but your heart beats like a drum. Babylon can make you run.
Rise up strong, my sister. Rise up strong. Don't you whisper when you know you got to shout. Let the truth come pouring out. Set the people free from doubt.
Listen close to what I'm saying. Every day the poor keep praying, while the rich keep on displaying all their wealth while we delaying justice for the ones who suffer. Times are getting so much rougher, but together we get tougher. Love's the only thing that's buff against the hate they keep on spreading. Every tear that we've been shedding, water seeds of hope we're planting. Take their power they've been granting to themselves while we've been waiting. Time to stop that hesitating. Unity is what we're creating. Jah love is what we're celebrating.
One heart, one soul.